Hey everyone, it's me Noemi, aka Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you guys with another tutorial. As you can see, I came back with this nice summery look. It's very fun, very easy, very simple. I hope you ladies try it out as well. So let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned for the tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm starting off with my Fenty foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. I gotta buy another one because I ran out right on this video. That was like the last little bit that I had left. So I'm just taking that and applying it. I'm in the shade 420. So now I'm about to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I haven't used this concealer in such a long time, so it was really good to use it again. And I like to just let my concealer sit for a little bit, so that way it can get a little bit tacky. And I feel like when I let it sit for a while, it gives me more of a full coverage, which I think everybody loves. So now I'm taking my Revolution concealer. This concealer, I had purchased it. First I thought it was going to be my shade, for under my eyes, but it ended up being a little too dark. So I just use it as a contour. So here you just see me setting my under eye. You guys already know I've been loving my Fit Me loose powder by Maybelline. That's what I've been using now. Usually I use the Laura Mercier or the Sasha Cosmetic, but I've been loving this, so yes. Just taking that. Now I'm going to be taking my Black Radiance pressed powder and just applying that all over my face because I get very oily. And now I'm just taking the Saharan blush palette and I'm using the color Abby, and I'm just taking this to contour. Now I'm taking my Prism palette, which I absolutely love, and I'm using the color Lure, and I'm using that as a transition color. So I'm just packing that color on. I didn't set my concealer with any powder on my eyes. So I'm just taking that color very lightly at the beginning and then building the color up. And now I'm going to be taking Saturn. It's a nice burnt orange, and I'm just applying that directly on the crease. I'm still using the same brush that I used for the transition. So I'm just using the same brush and I'm just applying that color. So now we're gonna go straight into this brown color, which is called Parallel. And I'm just taking that directly on the outer corner, on my outer V, and just blending that in with the orange and blending in a little bit into the crease as well. So I'm also adding a black that comes in this palette, which is called Obsidian, I believe it's called. And I just added that on top of the brown. And now I'm just taking my brush and I'm blending out any harsh lines. And I just want that nice, gradient effect. And now I'm just taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm cutting the crease. I just always use the LA Girl concealer to cut my crease because the product is coming out and it already has a brush, so it's so easy to do it like this.
So yes, now I'm just taking that same brush that I used to apply the black, and I'm just blending out that line so the line could be nice and smooth, and yeah. So the color that I'm going to be applying is this gold that comes in the palette. It's called Pyramid, and I'm just packing that color on. I didn't wet the color. Sometimes you could wet this any shimmer eyeshadow, but I didn't choose to do that. I'm just pressing the color on and then just smoothing it out with a brush. I think I use every color in this palette except for one. So y'all should get this palette and try it out. Here I am turning up a little bit. So I'm just taking the brush and just applying a little bit of that black and blending it with the gold. So that way I won't get it. Sometimes you get that harsh line. So I'm just blending that color in. Now I'm just taking that same color, the Saturn, and just going over the line just to give it that nice defined look. I think this is optional, but I like to go over just to give it more of a definition. Now I'm taking the same color, Saturn, and I'm just applying it on my lash line. And then I'll also be taking the brown parallel and mixing it in with that orange. So I'm just basically doing the same thing that I did above on my crease and outer V. I'm just doing it on my lash line. So now I'm taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and my eyes were getting watery there, but I'm just applying some mascara before I apply my lashes. I think this is always good to do so your natural lashes won't be poking out. And I also like to take some of that mascara and apply it on my bottom lash. And now I'm just taking my NYX lip liner. This is my favorite lip liner. Y'all see how small that lip liner is? Because I use it all the time. But I'm just applying that. And now I'm just taking my Maybelline. This is in the color Naked Coral 555. And I applied this at first, but I really wasn't feeling it like that. I mean, it looks cute or whatever, but then I just took this color from MAC and it's in the color Flat Out Fab. And I was like, I think this is more the vibe that I was feeling. Something more pink, pinkish purplish. So now I'm just taking my Maybelline. This is like a Maybelline tutorial right now. So I'm taking my Master Chrome, and this is in the color 50, the rose gold. So I'm just applying this. I absolutely love this highlighter. I really, really like it. And as you guys know, my fave, the Mario Badescu. But I thank you guys for watching my tutorial. I hope you ladies try this out. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share everything. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Hey, go me.